Hey everyone, welcome back to my Vitamin Doctor. Today, we're talking about how to lighten dark armpits naturally. I've got some simple remedies and tips you can easily try at home. Let's get started. First up is lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent. Rub a fresh lemon directly onto your armpits, leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Use 3-4 times a week, but avoid if you have sensitive skin. Next is a baking soda scrub. Mix baking soda with water to form a paste, scrub your armpits gently, then rinse. Do this 2-3 times a week to exfoliate and brighten. Coconut oil is another great option. Massage coconut oil into your armpits daily to moisturize and lighten the skin over time. For sensitive skin, try aloe vera. Apply fresh aloe gel to your armpits daily to soothe and lighten gently. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps balance skin pH and lightens dark areas. Diluted with water, apply with a cotton ball, leave for 10 minutes, and rinse. Turmeric and milk paste. Try a turmeric and milk paste for its anti-inflammatory and brightening effects. Mix turmeric powder with milk, apply it to your armpits, leave for 10 minutes, and rinse. Use 2-3 times a week. Try rose water and sandalwood powder for a gentle brightening effect. Mix sandalwood powder with rose water to make a paste. Apply for 15-20 minutes, then rinse. Lastly, cucumber juice. Cucumber juice is perfect for cooling and lightening sensitive skin. Apply it daily and rinse after 15 minutes. Along with these remedies, avoid harsh deodorants, exfoliate regularly, and moisturize daily. Stick with these treatments and you'll see results. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my Vitamin Doctor, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.